I want to tell you something right up front. When I started putting this list together, I thought I already knew which RV was going to take the top spot. I had a front runner in mind almost immediately, but the more I dug into these 5 rigs, the more one of them kept rising to the surface. And by the time I got to number 1, I had completely changed my mind. The RV sitting at the top of this list outperformed rigs that are newer, more expensive, and a whole lot flashier. I think it's going to surprise you too. Today we are looking at 5 real, available RVs, all priced under $20,000 and all genuinely worth considering for retirement travel. These are not pipe dreams. These are not fixer-uppers you are going to sink money into. These are rigs that a retired couple or a solo traveler could hitch up and start making memories in right now. We are counting down from number 5 to number 1. Let's get into it. Number 5 on our list is the 2012 Heartland North Country 30 BHS, sitting at $14,500 from a private seller in Baraboo, Wisconsin. Now I want to be upfront with you. This is a bunkhouse layout designed to sleep 10 people. For most retirees traveling as a couple, that sleeping capacity is overkill. But here is why this rig made the list. This thing has less than 100 miles on it. 2 owners, professionally winterized every single season. When you find an RV that is over a decade old and has basically never been used, that changes the conversation entirely. The North Country is 30 feet long with real living space, an indoor and outdoor kitchen, 2 refrigerators, 2 sinks, a stove, oven, microwave, and indoor and outdoor showers. The cellar is throwing in the deck, outdoor furniture, and a grill. The queen bedroom has a brand new purple mattress, full tub and shower combo in the bathroom. 1 slide out that opens things up nicely. The honest concern is towing. At a GVWR of just over 7,000 pounds, you need a capable truck. And the bunkhouse floor plan, while spacious, means some of that square footage is going in a direction a retired couple may not need. But at $14,500 for an essentially unused rig, the value is hard to argue with. If you travel with family or grandkids, this one earns its spot. I thought this one might finish higher until I saw what was waiting at number 4. Quick favor, if you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe. I cover affordable RVs, retirement travel, and buying guides every week. Now let's get to number 4. Number 4 is the 2015 Keystone Hideout 26 BHSWE, priced at $15,995 from a dealer in Los Banos, California. This is also a bunkhouse layout, but it is a different kind. The rear bunk room has a door on it, making it a fully separated private space. Front master has a queen, the bunkhouse has 2 double beds stacked, and you have a sofa sleeper and a convertible booth dinette as well. Sleeping capacity is 10, same as the North Country, but the floor plan feels more purposefully designed for a retired couple who occasionally wants family along. At 31.5 feet with a single slide out, the main living area is genuinely comfortable. The kitchen has a stainless steel gas range, an oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator, and solid counter space. The interior is warm and traditional, real wood cabinetry throughout, the kind of classic RV feel that is familiar and inviting. Rear bathroom with a full shower, toilet, and vanity. Clean and easy to maintain. 2 televisions are a nice touch, one in the living area and one in the bunk room. Power stab jacks make leveling considerably easier than manual setups, which matters more than people realize when you are parking in a new site every couple of days. The concern is weight. Dry weight at 6,360 pounds puts this on the upper end for a half-ton. Know your truck's tow capacity before you fall in love with this one. At under $16,000, it is well equipped for a retired couple who wants space and comfort without the premium price. I was seriously considering putting this one higher. Then I kept going. Number 3. Number 3 is the 2014 Lance Travel Trailer 1995, and I want to talk about this one carefully because it tells a specific kind of story. The asking price is $19,995 from a dealer in Los Banos, California. That is technically $5 over the $20,000 ceiling on this list, but the dealer has it flagged as willing to negotiate. 1 phone call and this rig almost certainly lands under the limit. The Lance 1995 is in a different category from everything else on this list. Lance trailers are known for aluminum frame construction, fiberglass sidewalls, and long-term durability. When you buy a used Lance, you are buying something that was engineered to last. This one is 23 feet and 9 inches long. That is the shortest rig on our list, and for retirees, that is actually a major selling point. Dry weight is only 3,700 pounds, which means you can tow this comfortably behind a half-ton pickup or even a capable large SUV. For someone who does not want to maneuver a massive rig, that matters. The floor plan is simple and smart. Front queen bedroom, U-shaped booth dinette that converts, 3-burner gas cooktop, oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator, and a rear corner shower bathroom with a medicine cabinet and vanity. One slide out, power awning, solar panel, exterior floodlights, outdoor shower, and interior and exterior speakers round out the feature list. For the size, that is impressive. The only real limitation is capacity. 4 people maximum, and that is a stretch. If you travel with grandkids regularly, you will want more room. But for a couple doing snowbird runs or extended road trips, this is a sharp, easy, well-built rig. At this point in the list, I was convinced I had found my top 2. Then I looked at number 2, and everything shifted again. Number 2 is the 2017 Skyline Leighton Javelin 291 DBS, priced at $14,900 from a dealer in Nevada, Iowa. Here is what the photos tell me, and the photos are detailed. This is a stunning interior for a $14,000 RV. Wood-look plank flooring throughout, dark leather sofa, a clean modern kitchen with granite-style countertops and a stainless mosaic backsplash, dark cabinetry, and recessed lighting. It looks like a rig that costs $30,000. The floor plan has a rear bunkhouse with 2 full bunks, a private queen in the front, a full tub and shower bathroom, and a wide open main living area. The kitchen has a gas range and oven, microwave, and a 2-door, full-size refrigerator. Large pass-through storage on the exterior. Power awning in the photos. For retirees, the combination of value and visual quality here is the appeal. At $14,900, you have real money left over for a truck upgrade, campground memberships, or just a stronger travel fund. The bunk room also gives you flexibility to host family without giving up your private master bedroom, which matters to a lot of retired couples who want options without sacrificing daily comfort. But based on what these photos show, this one is absolutely worth a phone call. I thought number 2 might be my winner, and then I got to number 1 and understood why I had been wrong the whole time. I will be honest with you. When I found this listing, I thought it had to be a typo. A 2022 model from one of the most respected brands in the industry for under 20 grand? I checked it 3 times before I believed it. Number 1 on our list is the 2022 Grand Design Transcend Explore 321BH, priced at $19,900 from a dealer in Placerville, California. Grand Design is one of the most trusted names in the travel trailer market. Their build quality, warranty support, resale value, and owner satisfaction ratings consistently rank at the top of the industry. On a list full of rigs from 2012 through 2017, finding a 2022 Grand Design at this price is the kind of thing that does not happen very often. When it does, it moves fast. The 321BH is 36 feet long. GVWR is 9,295 pounds, so you will need a 3/4-ton truck. But here is what you get for that towing requirement. 2 air conditioners, a full front master suite with a private queen bedroom and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, a completely separate rear bunkhouse with its own half bath, a toilet and sink in the back in addition to the full bath up front. That 2-bathroom layout is a genuine game changer for retired couples, especially on longer trips or when family comes along. The main living area has a TCL Roku smart television, a booth dinette, a leather sofa, a full kitchen with a gas range, oven, microwave, and large refrigerator, and an outdoor kitchen with a slide-out 2-burner cooktop built right into the exterior. That outdoor kitchen is a feature you normally find on rigs costing $10,000 more. Dual entry doors, backup camera pre-wired, electric awning, outdoor speakers, large pass-through storage, and leveling jacks are all included. For retirees specifically, Here is what I keep coming back to. You have a private master suite that truly feels separate from the rest of the trailer. You have 2 bathrooms, and any couple who has shared one bathroom on a long trip knows exactly why that matters. You have dual air conditioning, which is not a luxury for snowbirds in the summer, it is a necessity, and you have a grand design, which means a brand behind you if anything needs attention. The market typically prices this rig between $29,000 and $35,000 pre-owned. The $19,900 asking price represents the kind of value gap that makes experienced buyers stop scrolling. If you have the tow capacity and you want the most complete retirement travel package on this list, this is the one. Let me wrap this up with a quick breakdown. Best for easy towing and couples who want to keep it simple, that is the 2014 Lance Travel Trailer 1995 at number 3. Lightweight, well-built, easy to manage, and built to a higher standard than most rigs in this price range. Best for interior quality and living comfort at a low price, that is the 2017 Skyline Leighton Javelin 291 DBS at number 2. That interior at $14,900 is genuinely hard to beat. Best overall value on the list, that is the 2012 Heartland North Country 30 BHS at number 5. Less than 100 miles on a 12-year-old rig is almost unheard of, and the seller is throwing in extras that would cost you real money to add yourself. And the best overall retirement RV on this list is the 2022 Grand Design Transcend Explore 321BH at number 1. 2 bathrooms, dual AC, a full master suite, a trusted brand, and a price that is 30 to 40% below what you would normally pay for this rig. Links to all 5 listings are in the description below, so you can check current availability before you reach out. Now, here is my question for you. If I handed you $20,000 today, which of these 5 RVs would you buy and why? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Put the number in the comments. I read every single one of them. Until next time, travel safe, spend wisely, and I'll see you down the road.